Welcome back, guys, to my channel. We will start this evening off with opening our bottle of wine, which here we have Chalkboard, a New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc. Always remember after opening a bottle of wine to taste and smell. Here we have our ingredients. We'll start off with our garlic. Set aside 5 garlics on the larger side. Peel and slice thin. Once you slice all your garlic, set them aside and start on your parsley. Here I have half a bunch of parsley. We're going to chop that finely. And once you're done, set that aside as well. Now for your shrimp, I have frozen shrimp here. I thawed them out in a little water. They're already peeled, they're already deveined. I just patted them dry. Then we add our oil, salt, pepper, and some cayenne for a little bit of heat. Once you're done with that, set that aside and leave that same spoon so you can use it to cook. Salt your water before boiling. Now you want to get this type of pasta. The one that looks like a little dry. That means the sauce will more adhere to it. It'll stick to the pasta better. Once you put it in, mix it around. And now it's time to start with your garlic and oil. Add some oil just to coat the bottom of the pan. Add your garlic and make sure your heat is at a medium low. As soon as you mix that around a little bit, make sure you have your pan on for your shrimp and start heating that up. Cook the shrimp for 2 minutes on each side. Add 2 teaspoons of red pepper flakes to your garlic and oil. Cooking the garlic and oil and the pasta should take around the same time. So right when you put in your pasta, make sure to start your garlic and oil. Taste your noodles, make sure you have enough salt, and if you don't, then that's an indication that you can add some more salt once you mix in your pasta. Set aside a little bit of the pasta water. Add your pasta directly into your pan with your garlic and oil, and immediately add a little bit of pasta water, about 2 tablespoons. Start mixing that in. Add your lemon juice. Here I used 1/3 of a lemon. Add some salt because I tasted the pasta already and needed some more. And then add your parsley. Now mix that all together. Once you mix that all together, add your shrimp, any accumulated juices, and mix. Make sure to taste one more time, add salt if needed, and we're finished. Here I have a carving fork and a soup ladle. We'll use that together to make a little nest. Showing everyone how to set a table. Here we just have something simple. You always put your fork on the left, your knife goes on the right. Then your glass goes in front, and to the left slightly goes your wine glass or your cocktail. Thank you once again for joining me on Homebound Wine and Dine. Here we have our garlic and oil pasta with shrimp, which is my style. I'm gonna go ahead and try some. Try just a little bit. That's super delicious. Oh my God. Taste a little bit of wine with this. The New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc is super delicious. Has a nice acidity to it, a little dryness, but it pairs perfect with this. Let's try a little bit of the shrimp and the pasta together with the wine. That is amazing. I don't know exactly how you say this, like pasta olio, something like that. But I didn't take the exact same recipe. I just added my little things to it, kind of like the movie from the movie Chef, how to do it on there. Wow, but it's amazing. I ate it a lot, and I really love this. Super easy to make. It's a little on the cheap side too, and you can't go wrong with it. So thanks for joining me once again. Hopefully give us a try. Let me know in the comments, and we'll see you next time. Ready? There you go. that good? See, even little kids like it. Yummy, huh? By the way, this is my son. He's a... You wanna feed me? He's a year and 8 months right now. You eat it, you eat it. Eat it. Yeah, come on, you know you wanna eat it. He's trying to feed you guys, sorry.